Hey there, little math wizards! Today, we're going on a super fun adventure to learn all about addition. Are you ready? Addition is like putting numbers together. It's like a game. Imagine you have 2 apples, and then you get 3 more apples. How many apples do you have now? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 apples. That's addition. 2 apples plus 3 apples equals 5 apples. Now let's help our friends add their blocks together. Max has 4 blocks, and Mona has 2 blocks. How many blocks do they have altogether? Let's add them up. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Great job! Mona and Max have 6 blocks together. Here, Bella has 2 trays of cupcakes on the counter. One tray has 3 cupcakes, and the other has 5 cupcakes.
Look, I have 3 cupcakes in blue tray and 5 cupcakes in orange tray. What happens when we put them together? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yum! 3 cupcakes plus 5 cupcakes equals 8 cupcakes. That's how we use addition in the bakery.
Hello, friends. It's me, Benny the monkey. I've got a riddle for you. I found 5 bananas today. My friend gave me 4 more bananas. How many bananas do I have now? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Woohoo! I have 9 bananas now. So 5 plus 4 equals 9.
You did an awesome job solving the riddle. Keep practicing. See you next time, friends.